Hello. Now today we are started a chapter 2, reproduction in lower and higher animal. Session 1. Today we are discussing topic asexual reproduction and their types. So first topic is asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? The process in which the new young ones are produced by without fusion of male and female gamete. It's called as asexual reproduction. So in asexual reproduction, only one parent is involved. In asexual reproduction, mitosis play an important role. So most of the in lower organism, asexual reproduction is occur, and the new young ones are produced are exactly similar to their parents. They are genetically similar, morphologically similar, so they are also called as a clone. So these are called as a asexual reproduction. So now in asexual reproduction in lower organism, the first type is a gemule formation. In freshwater sponges and in few marine sponges, the birds are formed within the parent body. The asexual bodies are formed within the parent body. These are called as gemules. So these are the internal bird. Gemules are the internal bird produced within the animal body. Especially it is observed in sponges, in freshwater as well as in few marine water. Gemule consists of small group of cells. They are also known as archocytes, and they enclose this archocyte enclosed by a protecting coat. So look at the diagram. So here archocytes are the small spores. They are enclosed by the protecting covering. So these are called as a gemule. So in gemule, the small group of cells, archocytes, enclosed by the protective coat during unfavorable condition. Now, whenever the condition becomes favorable, the mass of archocyte come out through the micropylate, and each cell develop a new individual, and later it forms a colony. So these are called as gemules. So look at this diagram. In this diagram, the innermost cell, archocytes, the group of cell, they are covered with protecting covering. They also have a micropyle site. Whenever the condition becomes favorable, through this micropyle, these archocyte cells come out in favorable condition and grow as a new individual and develop a new colonies. So these are called as a gemule formation. So once again I will repeat what is gemule. In freshwater sponges or in few marine sponges, the gemules are formed. Gemules are the group of cell. They enclosed in a protecting covering. When condition becomes favorable, these cells, archocytes, come out through the micropyle and grow as a new individual and develop a new colonies. These are called as a gemule. So now the another type is a budding. So in this type, in budding, the small outgrowth develop on the parent body, and now this small outgrowth develop externally on the surface of the parent body. In gemule हम लोगों ने last type, in gemule formation, the birds are formed within the protecting cover internally, but in budding it form externally on the parent body. The bird may split away from the parent after maturity. They detach from their parent body after maturity and grow as a new independent individual. So it is observed in Hydra. Okay, after separation of this new individual, they grow as a new independent individual. These are called as a budding. So what is budding? Budding is a small outgrowth develop on the parent body and it develop externally. After become mature, it detach from their parent and grow as a new individual. Example, Hydra. Next type is a regeneration. So what is regeneration? Regeneration is a process by which some organism replace or restore lost or amputated body part. So in regeneration, the lost part or amputated part, they are again restored or developed into the new individual organism. It's called as a regeneration. So regeneration carried out by specialized cell in planaria. In planaria, this regeneration carried out by specialized cell. This cell undergoes proliferation and make large number of cell. And this cell, mass of this cell different and undergoes different changes to become vigorous cell type and tissue. So in regeneration, the part or body part which is replaced or restored is occur by cell proliferation process, and large number of cells are formed. These cells undergoes various changes to become various type of cell and tissue organs. This change takes place in the organized sequence referred to as a development. Okay, these are called as a regeneration. So in regeneration, the new body part will be formed or new organism will be formed. Example, in planaria, the breaking cell region, this cell undergoes proliferation. These cells undergoes different changes, they form a different tissue, different organs, and finally it forms a new organism or it forms new organs. This process is called as a regeneration. So now in the diagram, in the planaria diagram, so here planaria break into the two parts. The anterior part and posterior part, both are pull exerted in opposite direction. The breaking part cells, they undergoes proliferation to form new organs from the tissue differentiation, and finally they develop a two new individual. So this process is called as a regeneration. Okay, today we are studied about the asexual reproduction in lower organism, in which we are studied gemule formation, budding and regeneration. So now in the next session we will study male reproductive system. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.